All right, YouTube, this is an experiment that we have decided would be a great experiment. 1/3 of the class, 11 out of 30 kids, believe that when we pour this milk into this glass, the milk, because we're learning about solutes and solvents, and we're trying to separate the calcium from the milk. But like I said, 11 out of 30 of my kids believe that the whole, like, say, if we evaporate the liquid, the entire liquid will evaporate into the atmosphere. So what we want to see is it going to all evaporate, or will there be solute left behind? Solid material left behind. Maybe the minerals or the calcium in the milk. Now, it was serendipity because I found this outside on the ground, and I said, oh, a sealed milk carton, so they won't think I added some things in there to make sure that I get the result that I want. This one is actually May 11th, 2017 on this, so you know I wasn't just like grabbing some old box of milk or something like that and trying to manufacture a result. I'm not trying to be fake here. Can you take a look at that bottle? Does it look like does it look like I faked it? That I re-glued it, tore it apart, and added some crazy solution in there that isn't even milk?
I don't think so.
Okay. All right, time's up. Bring it back. So, does it look legitimate?
Yeah.
It looks legit. Okay, so you guys can see. And she'll pick on me. This girl right here will pick on me. She'll say, oh yeah, it's totally fake. I could see where he cut it with a razor blade and added some rubbing alcohol to make it evaporate faster. Does this look legit?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know it's legit. You know she's gonna tell the truth because she told the truth over at Mission Control when she said that I was afraid of going as an astronaut because I'd be I can't even handle jujitsu classes. I'll remember that. She was right though. She was right. But the other thing is I don't want to do it because I have kids. I got to take care of my kids. Can't leave my wife like that. What if I die? That's a bad thing, I think. It's probably a bad thing if I die. All right, I'm about to pour. This is the beginning of our amazing journey into solutions and figuring out, will the water evaporate and leave behind a solute, or will everything evaporate like a magic trick? Like David Copperfield came in and just said, buy everything, whoop, into the atmosphere. We are about to embark upon this intellectual journey. So, everybody's like, oh, oh, there is another possibility. What if it just plain never evaporates? And it just stays like that through the end of the school year, a month from now. But I don't think that's going to happen. If that happens, we invalidate the exam. But here's the thing. What if it coagulates and changes and morphs chemically into a completely different thing? Well, even eventually then, that would still be the solute, wouldn't it? But then there would be some additives. There might be like mold and like some kind of weird stuff floating in the air that's adding to it, and or that temperature. So I think the goal will be to really make sure that we, as quickly as possible, evaporate that milk, because water breeds life, right? Now, what that means is if a mosquito comes and a mosquito lays an egg in there and it's wet, then the mosquito will get nutrition from the milk. The mosquito eggs will get the nutrition from the milk baby, and then they'll breed, and then we'll have like 100 mosquitoes flying around in our classroom. So we have to kind of be guarded and careful that nothing actually gets added through the atmosphere or through air or seeds blowing around or germs or bacteria even, right? Bacteria can breed in this water, or we could just have curdled milk and then make the classroom really stinky. So we've got to really think about these things. The faster we evaporate it, is it going to be better?
Yeah.
So maybe if I could apply some heat to it somehow. But I can't put it outside because then the seeds and the bacteria are flying out there and maybe they'll get added to the milk and then cause all kinds of problems with our results. So what I need to do then is find a way to get some heat on there. Maybe put a blow dryer on it. Or put it near a heater or a lamp. A lamp. Is that a good idea? If we have a high energy lamp. But then that'll be a waste of energy and resources if we put a high temperature lamp on there. But probably no more of a waste than cooking your food, right? Because cooking your food requires a lot of heat too. A microwave might work. Put a lid on it. You put a lid on it, it won't evaporate very quickly. That's the problem. A lid? No, not if you just gotta heat it, and then take it out, and then reheat it, and then take it out, reheat it, and then take it out. Maybe a candle. Put a candle underneath it, because this is glass, it should be able to handle that kind of temperature, right? Yeah, but I don't care. This is a cheap IKEA glass from back in the day I got for free. All right, so everybody say, let's say something like, are we ready to learn about milk? Are you excited to learn about this milk? I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of excited. People, are we excited? Come on, show me your excitement. Oh yeah, let's go milk. Everybody say, let's go milk. Let's say it. Come on for you too. Come on.